Hey there, I wanted to share with you the number one reason that HubSpot fails for most small businesses. Now, I'm not going to start off by slagging off HubSpot because HubSpot is an absolutely brilliant tool if you're mid-level or you're a large business. But you know what? That's the crux of the problem. HubSpot isn't designed for small businesses. It's designed for generating reports so that managers can manage their teams and know exactly what's going on a big scale. Whereas what most small business owners need is they need a tool to help them and their teams convert more prospects faster. Now, where we see success with small businesses, especially growth businesses, is that they run a three-system solution. The first and the good bit of news is that you've already got the first part, and that's your accountancy software. Something like Xero, QuickBooks, whatever it is you use, it is designed for generating reports, creating invoices, quotes, etc., doing your finances, and it does it brilliantly. So use it. Then, if your business, and not all businesses need this, but if your business needs operational software, have some operational software, something like Monday.com, ClickUp, or Simpro, or whatever it is. But what you do is you connect that down to your account software. So when somebody becomes a customer, they just sync straight up into there. So we're starting to create this to behave like a big piece of software. But what the main part of the problem for small business owners is prospect management. They've got this huge glut of inquiries, contacts, whatever it is, and it's usually spread out over loads of different systems, and that causes it to become disjointed and they start losing things. It just becomes a mess. So have one system then for managing all of that. That's where Popcorn kicks in, by the way. And you join up your email marketing, your CRM, your website tracking all together so you can see who's ready to buy, when they're ready to buy, and why. And it gives your team the intelligence so they can convert people and take people on that journey a lot faster. And then once they've converted, guess what? They just sync straight into your account software. So the journey then moves, and you're not moving data around. But here's the absolutely amazing part. As your business grows, which it will do if you employ this system, if you need a better account system, upgrade it. If you need a better operations system or better prospecting system, upgrade them. But if you do them as your business grows, it enables you to grow with the software, to grow with your business, and it doesn't hold you back. Rather than having to spend thousands on setup fees, it gives you everything you need in a simple, easy way. Now, if you would like to find out more about how Popcorn is an alternative to HubSpot and try to find out a bit more about this three-system solution, please click into a demo below. I'd love to have a chat with you and try to see how we can help your business grow. Thanks very much.